I'm here also with my wife.
Hey, baby, come and say, Olurga kodwa gani gini. Oxandra. Yeah. Say hi. Just say hi.
Amosi. Oh, Idinade. I'd like to say pole sana to Eric and family. Fred was a neighbor when he used to stay with Gore, and he used to come to my house. Fred alikuwa na hii demeanor ingine, he was such a kind guy. Alikuwa nakuja anasema, Mom, kuna chakula leo? I think he called everyone Mom, and he was so respectful. I was really touched by his death. I think the last time I saw him is when he was still our neighbor. He used to come home a lot. And I don't know, I don't have words for this. It's not right to see young people die. Pole sana to the family. May God be with you. Poleni sana.
Asante. Koro gimomiyo wan geri kwa kao nyiri malando. Ne wadak kuonde ma stima onge.